Welcome to our guide on how to earn money in just 1 hour. We all encounter moments when a little extra cash is needed, whether for an unexpected bill or a last-minute gift. Today, we're exploring practical, actionable methods to help you achieve a quick financial boost. From unleashing your creativity with print-on-demand opportunities to sharing your opinions for cash, and even offering your skills as a freelancer, there's something for everyone. Our aim is to provide options that fit your lifestyle and interests, keeping things simple and straightforward. If you're ready to explore these quick cash solutions, stay tuned as we guide you through some of the best ways to make money fast. Let's embark on this exciting journey to financial empowerment. Let's dive into the world of print-on-demand with Printify. Imagine designing and selling custom products like t-shirts and mugs without the hassle of inventory. It's a creative side hustle that lets your imagination run wild while you earn money. With Printify, setting up your pop-up store is easy. Create your designs, upload them, and Printify handles the rest, from printing to shipping. This allows you to focus on what you love, designing and promoting your products, while Printify manages logistics. It's an ideal way to generate income quickly and creatively. Plus, you can start small, test different designs, and see what works best. And the best part? You can do it all from home, at your own pace. If you're looking to express your creativity and make quick cash, print-on-demand is worth considering. Start exploring the possibilities with Printify today and watch your ideas turn into profits. Next, let's explore online surveys, where your opinions are rewarded. Imagine getting paid simply for sharing your thoughts on topics you care about. Sign up for paid survey sites, and you'll connect with companies eager to hear your insights. Earning cash or rewards in return. The best part? You can do this from home, on your schedule. Whether sipping coffee or relaxing on the couch, you can turn spare time into a money-making opportunity. This method is flexible and easy to start. By monetizing your opinions, you're not just earning extra cash. You're helping shape products and services that matter. It's a win-win situation, offering convenience and a quick financial boost. Do you have items lying around that you no longer need? Turn that clutter into cash by selling unused household items. Online marketplaces like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist are perfect for listing your items for a fast sale. Whether it's electronics, clothing, or furniture, there's always someone looking for a great deal. The process is simple. Snap a few photos, write a brief description, and set your price. You'll soon have buyers reaching out, ready to purchase. This method not only helps you earn quick cash, but also gives your unwanted items a new home, reducing waste. Take a look around your home and identify things collecting dust. With a little effort, you can transform them into a tidy sum of money within an hour. It's a win-win situation. Declutter and earn money simultaneously. If you have a skill, why not turn it into a fast income stream? Platforms like Fiverr are perfect for offering freelance services and making money quickly. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or voiceover artist, there's demand for your talents. Freelancing offers flexibility, work from anywhere, at any time, and choose projects that interest you most. With Fiverr, you can set your rates, showcase your portfolio, and connect with clients looking for your expertise. Imagine earning money while doing something you love, all from home. The potential for immediate earnings is real, and opportunities are vast. Take that skill you've honed and put it to work. In just 1 hour, you could be on your way to building a successful freelance career. Embrace the gig economy and see how quickly your efforts turn into profits. It's time to leverage your skills and start earning now. Are you an animal lover looking to make quick cash? Consider offering pet sitting or dog walking services through platforms like Rover. It's a delightful way to earn money while spending quality time with furry friends. Whether strolling in the park or cuddling with a cat, pet care offers a flexible schedule that fits your lifestyle. The demand for trustworthy pet care is high, making it a reliable option for fast income. Imagine turning your love for animals into a rewarding side hustle, where every wagging tail and purring kitty brings joy and extra money your way. Get started today and enjoy companionship and cash. With Rover, you can easily connect with pet owners in need, ensuring your passion for animals pays off. Embrace this opportunity to combine business with pleasure and start earning by doing what you love. Imagine turning your spare time into cash by delivering food or groceries. With the rise of delivery apps, this is a reality for many. Signing up is easy, and you can start earning money on your own schedule, making it perfect for immediate income. Whether delivering a meal to a busy family or groceries to someone who can't get to the store, the demand for delivery services is booming. This flexibility means you can work as much or as little as you want, fitting it around other commitments. It's a straightforward way to make money without needing special skills or equipment. If you enjoy being on the move and helping others, consider joining a delivery app today. It's a quick and reliable way to boost your earnings while meeting community needs. Start your journey now and see how delivering can fit seamlessly into your life, offering convenience and financial benefits. As we wrap up our guide on earning money in just 1 hour, let's recap the methods we've explored. From unleashing your creativity with a print-on-demand business using Printify, to earning by sharing your opinions through online surveys, we've covered various quick money-making strategies. Whether it's decluttering and selling unused items, offering freelance services on platforms like Fiverr, or enjoying time with pets while earning through pet sitting, there are plenty of ways to turn your time into cash. Each method fits seamlessly into your lifestyle, offering flexibility and immediate results. Now, it's your turn to take action. Why not start with Printify? It's an accessible and creative way to turn your ideas into profits without the hassle of inventory management. Dive into these opportunities. The journey to quick earnings starts with a single step, and that step could be the beginning of a rewarding venture. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope to see you turning your ideas into profits soon.